Wait, what? What is this OLL? Hello? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I've never seen this OLL case before. Oh my god, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? This is a $60 Rubik's Cube. What am I supposed to do? Okay, it's fine, it's fine. I know OLL algorithms. Maybe... Wait, this is a suitcase. What? What? Maybe it's come on, dude. Still here. What am I supposed to do? Oh my god. I did it. Yes, I did. Alright. Guess my cube is as good as new. Now I can actually try another assault.
打山还要张国，现在我有